welcome to Savi's Palak. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spinach chaat, and for the chaat we are going to air fry the spinach, and I'll show you how to air fry that. And let's go ahead and get started. For the spinach chaat, I use the baby spinach which you get in bags. This has been washed and dried out, as you can see, and I have it in a bowl here ready to go in. The only thing I'm going to add is like a dash of oil to it, olive oil. I'm not going to put salt or anything, and I'm going to very gently massage them so the leaves get coated with the oil. I have to use my hand here because these leaves are very sensitive, and you know, the gentlest tool is the hand to make sure they're coated. So the oil coated spinach, I'm going to just spread them out in the air fryer basket as much as you can. Like kale, spinach has a lot of water in it, and it doesn't turn out as crispy as the kale, but it still works out good. Still better than frying. So there you have it. I'm going to pop in the loaded frying basket, and we are going to toast it at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, and I'll keep checking after every 5 minutes. Alright, that's the end of the cycle, and let's see how the spinach looks. You can see it's turned out nice and crunchy. I'm going to actually transfer it. So there you have it. I had to do this in 4 different batches because I wanted to make sure they were all separated out, and you can see how they're fried. And out of this whole 8-ounce bag of spinach, I only get this much, so you don't get a lot out of it. I'm going to go ahead and assemble it into a chaat, and these are the items which you need for spinach: chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped mangoes, which adds a great taste to the chaat, cilantro, and the sauces include date tamarind chutney, coriander mint chutney, and some thinned out yogurt, and the powders, spice powders, salt, chili powder, and some chaat powder, and of course we want to top it off with some nice sage. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble the chaat. So we're going to put a handful of spinach. To that we'll add a little bit of onions and some tomatoes, and some cilantro. And we'll top it off with some red chutney, some mint coriander chutney, thinned out yogurt, let's add a little bit of chaat powder, a little bit of chili powder, and some salt. Okay. And with the good help, there you have it, spinach chaat. Alright, let's give this a try. And take the spinach and all the spices. Yum! The spinach is nice and crunchy, and the mango adds so much taste to this. And I hope you enjoyed watching it, and you're going to try this out. And please let me know how you liked it, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.